Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It's Thursday, August 31st, end of the month. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, yesterday I said that we had formed an inside candle at the lower Bollinger Band and looking for a bull break. So this is nice bull break on the inside candle and had a nice big, little bit of volume increase for the bulls here. So looking for some continuation tomorrow, possibly up to the 20 MA, which is at 47.77 for a back test of that resistance. And a lot of the members in the live chat room got in bull positions today. I was looking for a reversal today because of yesterday's, when I saw this yesterday, I was a little bit suspicious. So we had this move on inventory reports. We had a nice bull reaction and then a dump out of nowhere, and then even further more downside. And I saw that the inventory numbers, just, I don't really use the fundamentals. I don't really look at inventory numbers, but the inventory numbers were pretty bullish. And seeing that dump there, especially at a support on the daily at that lower Bollinger Band, and knowing that the hurricanes were shutting down some pipelines, it had me a little bit fishy about that move, and I was looking for a bull move today. And what I was watching for was this hourly chart first to confirm that we were going to reverse and potentially take out that inside candle bullish. And so this is the downtrend line that I shared with the live chat room. And when I was watching this hourly downtrend line, when we broke it here, when we finally were able to take it out, you saw that we had low volume, rejected there, not enough bull volume, and then saw a spike in bull volume here, and then another big spike in bull volume, and then a huge spike in bull volume on the hourly. And so I really like that for the bulls. And it further confirmed for me on the daily, once we got that break of yesterday's inside candle at the high, breaking above that 46.72. And like we did gain the 4 EMA, we gained the 8 EMA by a smudge. Hourly is definitely overbought. Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, August 31st. Going to do my nightly video on Natgas. Share this chart with the live chat community for those who want to join us. Showed them this chart on the daily, and I saw that we were closing within this range here, and was waiting for it to see if we could break out, and we broke out with increasing bull volume. So looking really good for the Natgas bulls here for the shorter term on the daily. And now I'm looking at this resistance here to see if we can get there in the next few days at 3.114. And that lines up with my weekly longer term that I've been waiting for to break this high of 3.114. You can see this long upper wick there, rejection at that 20 MA. So the goal of the bulls by the end of the week, ideally, is to close above this 20 MA, which is currently at 3.048 on the weekly chart, and then to break this high here of 3.114 next week. That's the goal for the Natgas bulls this week and next week. And then, of course, the longer term to change the trend. We'll see if this is a higher low, and then we can finally break to a higher high and break this 3.431. That's a bit ways away, but we'll see if they can do that in the coming month or so. So the daily does look good for continuation here. The hourly on it, obviously because of the strength and the bounce today, looking very strong. And after the hourly still is overbought, cool down the RSI and running again here. So ideally for bulls, we want to cool down this hourly RSI and open with a bull open so we can get in and then get to a move back up after some consolidation. That's what I'm looking for on Natgas. And I did like Natgas bullish today. Mentioned to the live chat community that I saw a big UNG call buyer. That's a trading vehicle for Natgas. And also this morning on the 5-minute, we started off bearish today, as you can see, and I saw going into the inventory report, I saw, I'm going to try to get rid of that big green candle there so I can show you guys what the volume looked like before that big green candle. I saw the buying of the dip by the bulls, so started seeing bulls come in and buy the dip. Had this big candle, that's obviously the inventory reports, but I started seeing some dip buying right into that inventory report. I initially had a pullback, but on the 5-minute chart, show it to you. On the 5-minute chart, we had a low here. I'm going to zoom in some more. We had a low here, a high. We had a higher low. We had a higher high and a higher low on this pullback, and then we took off. We saw increasing bull volume. I was waiting for a break that I mentioned to the chat room of breaking 2.938. I said watch for it if we were able to break that. We broke it on volume, had increasing volume, and then really had the nice volume right here. And on the hourly, what that was reflected was that a tightening pattern on the 5-minute was reflected by this inside candle. High and low was in the previous ranges, high and low. Break it on increasing bull volume, and then boom to the upside, and having nice upside, consolidating here, and expecting more upside as we finish near the high of the day today and showing a lot of strength. Any pullback on the hourly would be healthy consolidation again at this point. So I am starting to look bullish on Natgas in the mid-term. Longer term, not quite yet. We're getting there. If we can break that 3.114, I'll start turning into a longer-term Natgas bull. But looking very nice here with that candle today on, and look at the volume today that we had on that bull move. That volume is very telling to me that Natgas shows some strength. And you can see from the bottom here, once we had that volume, we did consolidate here in this range on the daily before breaking out again. And we are breaking out on bull volume, so it's looking very nice. The weekly was an inside candle bull break as well. So inside candle here and weekly bull break of that inside candle. And to confirm, we'd like to close above 3.006 and finally get a close above that 3. So you can see the weekly here, we were able to get over $3. Couldn't keep it though at the close. Again, got over $3, couldn't keep it at the close. So it would be nice to have a bull break on this inside weekly candle and close above it. And I would be even more impressed if on the weekly we saw increasing bull volume as well. So after this big bull day and that consolidation, you can see the declining volume consolidation range reflected on the daily that I showed you within this triangle pattern. Not triangle pattern, more of a wedge, I guess. Is it a wedge? I guess you call that a triangle. I would call it, anyways, it's a tightening range. And reflected on that weekly, on the consolidation, you see the declining volume here from that bull volume move, declining bear volume, and then want to see increasing bull volume on this breakout here and close above that 20 MA that I spoke of earlier. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.